Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the spooky lemon head monster from Friday Night Funkin. Alright, so to start drawing this spooky character, I'm going to start with two eyes. So they're going to be circles. One here, one here. And I'm going to put big circles in those circles. And I'm going to color those in black after. Now let's do some teeth. So I'm going to do the teeth just kind of curving along the bottom of these eyes. And the teeth we can do like upside down U shapes and then do a line on the bottom. But we're going to give them a bit of a creepy smile. Now we can give a bit of space here and do the bottom teeth. All right, I'm going to give them a few more up here. All right, so now let's bring a line up here and bring it down to right there. And we're going to bring a line up here and bring it down. So it's going to be a great big spooky smile. And let's see, I'm going to put in a little line here through the teeth. Okay, so next let's do the shape of the head, which is a lemon. So we can come out here on this side and on this one. And round bottom here. And let's do a few little lines just to kind of help make it look more lemon-like. All right, next let's do a little line here and one here for a neck. And then we've got the neck done. Now let's bring down a line for an arm. And I'm gonna do a hand right here. Do 2 fingers. And bring this line down to here. And then we got an elbow. And over here, let's do another one. 2 fingers, or whatever they are. Now let's do the body. And we can bring a line coming down this way. Come on up, go across, bring this line down, and one down here. All right, so we're done our drawing, and now I'm going to start coloring. All right, we are finished our picture. I think he turned out pretty spooky. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to learn how to draw next, what you'd like to see drawn, and I hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you back here for our next Daily Doodle. All right, everyone, goodbye.